Now we have to implement the following multiple output function using suitable decoder. In this what happens, they are given like f1 is a comma b comma c and summation of m 0347. This is what they are given. This is actually something like 3 to 8 encoder because it is having 8 output. Yes or no? Now how to implement this one using decoder? Let's take with step by step. If you take as a any decoder as a truth table, we know that input is when 000 we are taking d naught is 1. Previous what we have discussed 00 x naught is 1, similar way. When it is 001 d1 is high. When 010 then what happens? In this case when all are 0 we are getting d naught 1. When c is 1 that is 001 condition 1. Okay, for 1 it is we are getting like a d1 is 1. When 2 it is like d2 is 1 and 3 it is d3 1. Similar way 4 it is d4 1. Similar way 5 d5 is 1 and 6 it is d6 1. Okay, and 7 it is d7 1. Okay, simple way. And if you take as a formula d naught is a bar b bar c bar. Why? Because all are here 000. Okay, when you take d1 it is c only high and you are taking a bar b bar c. When you are taking as a 010 that means b is high and other portion d2 is a bar c bar. When you take d3 it is 011 so a bar bc. When you take d4 a is high other 2 is bar a b bar c bar. Then 101 means b is bar so d5 is a b bar c. Then if you go for 110 that means a b high so c bar is low. This is for d6. When you're taking d7 all are high. This is what equation we got. Now for this we have to check with the our problem. Here previous the problem is given we have to design 0347. So how to design 0347 in our decoder structure? So decoder input is 3 ABC. Yes or no? So 3:8 decoder we have to design. In this we have to design such a way that we have to select 0 3 4 7. So already we know that when we give 000 d naught is selected. When we give 001 d1 is selected. So if you convert this one into the formula, 0 means we have a bar b bar c bar, 3 means a bar b c and 4 means a b bar c bar and 7 means a b c. Yes or no? This is similar to which one? See, a bar b bar c bar is nothing but similar to d naught. So I can call this one as a d naught. And a bar bc, check it out here, a bar bc similar to d3. So I can write this one as a d3. Similar way a b bar c bar. So a b bar c bar is similar to d4. So go with the d4. And last one abc. ABC is last one d7 it look like. So it is d7. So when you check this one, see for 0 it is equal to the d naught. 3 it look like a d3. 4 it look like a d4 and 7 it look like a d7. So these all are we have to take as a, if you are taking in equation form, these all are plus. Why? Because it is in a form of SOP. Why it is SOP? Because when you go here it is summation of m. So it is in SOP form. So convert into the SOP, you have to get equation is something like this. F of ABC is equal to you have to get d naught plus d3 plus d4 plus d7 you have to get. So for this you have to take the d naught portion is this one, first one, second one d3, then d4 and d7. Take all these things and for addition purpose you have to use OR gate. So I used OR gate and I am getting this f of whatever function we have done, RF1 function. Okay, how to design if any number is given we have to make it in a decoder. Okay, decoder, what is the benefit of this decoder? Only you can take 3 input. Okay, instead of portions. Okay, and you have to design something like that. Ready-made is there, you have to take particular d of that and do it OR gate. This is for one function. Similar way you can go for many functions. Now next example, take something like that. You have to implement like f1 is something like a comma b comma c. Okay, so take f1 is 0 4 7, so plus don't care 2 and 3, and one more function is 156, one more function is 0246. Okay, when you're taking decoder, any don't care condition you will get, take this treat as a 1 only. Okay, that means we can convert this one into the 0 comma 4 comma 7 comma 2 comma 3. So these all in summation of m. Okay, don't care condition is nothing different in the decoder. It is treated as a 1 only. And here no don't care is there, 156, another one is 0246. What you have to do, how you have to do it? We know that if it is 047 or 23 means this can be done as D0 plus D4 plus D7 plus D2 plus D3, and the F2 function can be done something like that. It is 156, so D1 plus D5 plus D6. Similar way, F3 function can be done. It is D0 plus D2 plus D4 plus D6, and it having the decoder of 3 to 8. Why 3 to 8? Because it is 0 to 8 is there as a output part. So decoder D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. This is your output, and input is ABC. So ABC. So ABC you can change it like that. And here if you take function 1, it is D0, D4, D7, D2, D3. So take from D0 and take from D4 and take from D7, then take from D2 and D3. Okay, all are take it and make as a one OR gate here, and for this OR gate you have to take it as a, this is what you have to do for function 1. Similar way you can do for function 2 and function 3. You can do it together also possible. Okay, this is how you can implement the any given equation into the decoder part. Okay, so here I have done with the diagram. Check it out. Here F1 is whatever we have taken same way, and F2 is whatever is there, that point only, F3 that point only. You can analyze it. See, F1 consists of don't care condition, so we have to consider them to the logic 1. This is the very important point. Now here the F1 is consist of 1 0, so this is 0, this is actually consist of 4, and this is consist of 7, and this is consist of 2, and this is consist of 3. Similar way F2, this is your 1 portion, this is your 5th portion, and this is going for 6th portion. Same way this is for D0, and this is for D2, and this is for D4, and this is for D6. Like this your decoder is formed. So decoder, we have studied 3 things: 4 to 2 decoder, 3 to 8 decoder, and then how to make as a decoder in any equations. Okay, and similar way the encoder also we studied about 2 things: how it is 4 to 2 encoder, and we can do 8 to 3 encoder also. Okay, encoder disadvantage I told one thing, you remember that maybe. What is the main disadvantage? If it is all 0, we cannot do that one, and if it is 2 bit is high, we cannot do that one. To overcome that one, we are doing one more encoder is known as priority encoder. Okay, what is this priority means? We will give one priority to the particular bit. If that bit is high, it will take care, and other bit whatever it is doesn't care about that. Okay, and same way decimal to BCD encoder, octal to binary encoder, and hexadecimal to binary encoder. This is the different encoders we can do. Now first discuss about priority encoder. The priority encoder is something like that. Here it is similar structure, 4 to 2 encoder only. We will go with 2 bit only. Okay, it is similar structure whatever we have in the previous encoder. Structure there is no difference. The thing difference here, what are the disadvantage we are done, that disadvantage how to overcome that. Okay, that is the main part of this encoder. So in this case here, if it is x naught is high, okay, so similar way x2 also high, suppose assume that x2 also high, which one I have to select and what output I have to get. If it is here x3 high, x2 also high, and x1 also high, x0 also high, all are high, what I have to take? And if it is everything zero, suppose all zero, what I have to take? Like this we have to make as a something called priority encoder. If you take one example, darshana of in temple, so what happens, you are taking there is a one queue, okay, that is actually low priority, and they will give one more like queue for VIP. If some MLA or some extra person will come, what they will do, they will give directly entry to that one. So that person has a highest priority, then VIP has a second priority, and last common people having queue priority, like that. Yes or no? Similar method here also, each bit having priority order. In this, the MSB bit x3 is the highest priority. So whenever x3 is there, it is don't care x2 x1 is present or not, it will give the priority to x3. Similar way, if x3 is not there, then it will check for next one. If x2 is there, this is the next highest priority. Similar way, if x2 is not there, then it will check on this, x1 is the next priority. If x1 also not there, then last priority to the x0. This is how priority encoder is designed. Okay, so we will take as a priority encoder design and stuff how it is. Priority encoder, what is the priority encoder block diagram? It is similar to the your encoder. The thing is here we have to take same thing, 2 bit. Okay, 2 bit means how it is, have to take 4 to 2 priority encoder. So take 4 input, so called as a x3, x2, x1, x0, and 2 output. Okay, it is nothing but y1, y0. Here x3 is the highest priority and x0 is the lowest priority. Okay, next higher priority is x2, then x1, last one is x. So when you take one particular, if you want to take one truth table, now the input is, we have something called x3, x2, x1, x0, write as it is that. So here we have x3, okay, x2, x1, x0 is input. These are we called as a in this portion and this portion, and this portion is your output. So output is y1 and y0. So here, if it is all are zero, nothing is present, we can call this is don't care condition. So it may be either 0 or 1, it is not actually any output we will get in y1 and y0. Suppose x3 is 0, okay, and x2 also 0, x1 also 0, and x0 only present, then what happens, we will get the answer like 0 0. And if it is, it may be either 0 or 1, it doesn't affect, because x1 is the highest priority, x1 is high and x0 is 0, so it is the previous condition, like it is 0 1. Okay, and when x2 is high and whatever x1 and x0 is not care, and it is 1 0. And last case, if it is x3 1, it is not caring about any operation of x2, x1, x0, whatever it may be, and your answer is 1. So this is called as a priority encoder. Suppose I will take one example, 0 1 1 0. Now what is the output of this 0 1 1 0? If it is priority encoder, I will give input 0 1 1 0. What is my output? What is y1? What is y0? 1 0. Why it is 1 0 actually? See the priority in the x2. Okay, so it is whatever it is, it won't care about this. Okay, and so it will take as a 1 0. If it is last one is 1, and you will get anything 1 1 0 nothing. Now what answer you will get? 1 1, because the first bit is high. So x3 is high, it's not care about whatever it is. So you have to check such a way that the first bit, is it which one is high or not. If x3 is high, don't worry about that, you have to go reverse operation like that. x2 is high, don't worry about other. If x1 is high and other two first bit is 0, then don't worry about what is x. If all are 0, then only x0 is last pair. Take what is y1 and what is y0. Now what is y1? What is the procedure in a digital circuit we have to do? First we have to do as a block diagram we are done, and we explained what is the working of this. and we done as a truth table. Now we have to do equations. So what is y1 equation? When y1 is high, the what is meaning of x2 is 1 and all the don't care means when x2 is high, there may be a many combination possible. It may be 100 or it may be 101 or it may be 110 or it may be 111. So in all these combination your y1 is high. So it is high for 4, it is high for 5, it is high for 6, it is high for 7. Okay, this is one. Next one, it is high for x3. So x3 1 meaning is what? If x3 1 means it is the condition of 100 x3 condition. Okay, high only after 8. Yes or no? And 10019 up to 15 possible. Yes or no? So up to 8 to 15 it is possible. So 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 to 15 the y1 is high possible. If I give some number like 1, 0, 1, 1. So we are telling that it is actually 8 to 10, 11. For 11 we can say that it is y1 is 1. Yes or no? It is 1, 1. So y1 is 1. So y1 is 1 possible in all these conditions 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 15. So when you taking like that, you have to take like this. Y1 is equal to summation of m. It is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, this is the notation equation of y1. Now for this what you have to do? You have to do the K-map and you have to simplify it. Try for the K-map for this one. What happens? We know that this is our 0. So no, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. And after that all 4 to 15 we have. So no, and all are 1. So if you take this all are 1, we can do two grouping. One from this red one, another from this one. If you take this grouping, what happens? All the row is column is connected, column get cancelled. In row 1 1 means d3 get cancelled. So it is d3 get cancelled, it is d2. In our case we are taken x2 condition, so take x2. Okay, similar way if you take this one, all the column are cancelled out and 1 1 is common in d3, so it is x3 plus x2. Yes or no? So that is the answer we formed like this. Okay, you can remember why not is 1 for in this condition and 1 for this condition. Yes or no? And don't care for all zeros. That is the x here. It is high for x1. Yes or no? And high for x3. So what is the equation? When you are taking y0, it is condition for this 0 and 1. Okay, actually it is high for the when x1 is. Yes or no? So when x1 is high means x1 is high means 1 0 or 1 1 condition. So 1 0 condition is 2 and 1 1 condition is 3. These two condition I will get. So don't care is x0 either 0 or 1. Yes or no? So you can take 2 and 3 condition. Then it is high for x3. So x3 high means already we know that it is x3 high means we are taken here 8 to 15. So you have to make 2 and 3 is high and then 8 to 15 is high. Then for 0 it is don't care. Okay, these are the structure you have to do. That is what here I have done. And if you simplify you will get answer. See here, this is actually the condition of zeros. This is condition of zeros, don't care. Okay, here also I have taken don't care here, but this don't care won't work. Okay, because already we have all the ones in our groups. Okay, and this is actually 1 and this is 2 and this is 3. Okay, so 2 3 I have taken 1 and after that here actually start from 8 here and yes or no, 8 9 and it is 10 and 11 and it is 12 13 14 15 because of last one high all are high. Okay, so how to do the grouping? One grouping we can do all this one. Okay, this is one grouping and already we know this answer is d3. Okay, one more grouping we can do it, something called this 3 to 1 grouping and this 11 10 1 grouping. Yes or no? So for this grouping what happens, see here 1 0 0 0, so d2 bar. Okay, that is d2 bar and here 1 1 1 0, so 1 is high, so it is d1. So we can call as x2 bar x1 or d2 bar d1. Okay, so we have two input d2 plus d3 and d3 plus d2 d1. So for this you have to draw the logic diagram. Once you are drawing logic diagram, what happens? See y1 is this equation, Why not is this equation? So I have to make OR gate, and similar way whichever necessary stuff you have to take it. So here we have taken D3 because y1 is D3 plus D2. So you have to take D3 and D2 here and OR gate. So it is D3 plus D2. And then for y0 we are taking D2 bar. So here D2 bar is there and D1 is there. So D1 directly taken. So D2 bar D1, it is actually multiplication. So AND gate. Then it is OR with the D3. So take D3 here, OR gate. Okay. This is the block diagram of the priority encoder. What is decimal to BCD encoder? What is this meaning? The meaning is input is decimal, output is BCD. So what is decimal means? Decimal digit we know that it is 0 to 9 we can give. Yes or no? Decimal digits. And what is the output actually? BCD. BCD means it is a weighted form. A, B, C, D. Yes or no? And it having 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3 weightages. Yes or no? So from that we can make it as a decimal to BCD encoder. So when you are doing this one, you can take one block diagram how it look like. So here we can write inside it is decimal to BCD. Input is what? You have to take from 0 and up to 9. Okay, we can call it here 0 to 9 as a number. We can call as a something like x0 to x9 also. Okay, yeah. Then what is the output actually? It is a weightage form. Either we can take ABCD or y1, y2, y3 also possible. I will take as a ABCD. Okay, so this is what our input and output. Now what may be the our truth table and how it is look. Actually truth table what happens? 0 to 9 we have to give input. According to that we have to get as a BCD out. In this condition we will go with the first. We have input portions. Okay, input portion we have something called first one is we can take x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8, x9. Okay, these are inputs and output is A, B, C, D. Okay, these are output. Now what happens? It is a decimal to BCD encoder. So decimal, if it is x0 is high, you can take opposite also. x9 first you can take and last you can take because it is a individual digit. Okay, if x0 is high and all the bit we assume as a zeros. Okay, now the what is this decimal input is x0. So our output is all zeros. 0 0 0 0. If decimal is 1, x1 is 1. So what happens? All the bit are 0. Then we can take ABCD is 0 0 0 1. Okay, similar way we can go like this. If it is x2 is 1. Okay, what happens? It is 0 0 1 0. If x3 is 1, 0 0 1 0. Okay, if x3 is 1, it is 0 0 1 1. If x4 is 1, it is 0 1 0 0. All other fill with zeros. Okay, and x5 is 1, it is 0 1 0 1. If x6 is 1, 0 6, right, 1 1 0. Okay, if x7 is 1, okay, it is something like 0 1 1 1. Okay, similar way fill with x8 and x9. It is 1 0 0 0. If x9 is 1, it is again 1 0 0 1. Okay, all other portion fill with don't cares, and here all the portion fill with 0. So this is how we converted decimal portion into the our BCD format using encoder. Okay, from this table what we can check that it is something like that. The whenever the each bit, that means if it is a particular fourth bit is high, we are getting that fourth one. Okay, it is not like 2 to 5 or 3 to 5 like that. It is when x5 is 1, we are getting 0 1 0 1. Okay, that is how we can do the decimal to n. Okay, this is what we discuss about truth table. In this truth table we can discuss about what actually done. See, it is clear that output A is high only when 8 or 9. So if you go here, check here, when D output high A. Okay, this is are the output A, B, C, D are output. A is high at what condition? Only when your 8 and 9th bit are high. Yes or no? So we can call that one as a, it is A is equal to 8 and 9. Okay. Similar way, when B is high, check it out in this case, B is high in these conditions. Yes or no? So in this condition, what is the B high? It is high at this condition. 4 is high, 5 is high, 6 is high, 7 is high. So go for 4, 5, 6, 7. Similar way, when you go for C, C is high at what condition? Here C is high in these two conditions. These two are 2 and 3. And C is high in these two conditions. So these two condition means one is 6, another is 7. So it is 2, 3 and 6, 7. Okay. Similar way, when check it out, D is high. D is high every after one bit. Yes or no? So it look like a what? It is for D1 it is high. See the first high in this case. So it is high at D1 is high. Then it is D3. It's look like a odd numbers high. Okay. So go with odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. From this you can do the logic diagram. So how it is logic diagram? Take as a 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, each having switches. So A means it only for 8 and 9. Okay. So connect 8 and 9 here. If it is B, it is connected for 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes or no? And if it is C, whatever number we discussed, 2, 3, see 2, 3 and we have 6, 7. So 6, 7. Okay. Similar way, D. D means it is 9, all odd numbers. Yes or no? 7 and then 5, then 3 and then 1. Okay. Similar way, we can draw the decimal to BCD encoder. Is your input decimal is nothing but 0 to 9, and BCD is we are taking ABCD. So it is when the 0th bit is high, everything is 0. When 9th bit is high, it is 1001. According to that, we already know what is decimal and BCD relation. If it is the 5th bit is 1, 5th means 0101. Yes or no? That only you have to write in truth table. After that, we have to check A is high with what condition, B is high with what condition, C is high with what condition, and D is high with what condition. According to that, you have to draw the logic diagram. Here you have to take like this. This is octal to binary, and in this we are taking as a 0, 1 up to 7. Okay, and output is 3, A, B, C. Okay. Now actually in truth table what happens, when 0 is high, you have to get 0, 0, 0. When the 1th bit is high, then it is 0, 0, 1. If it is 6th bit high, then it is 1, 1, 0. So no, if 7th bit high means 1, 1, 0. Already you, sorry, 1, 1, 1. So I will go directly the truth table portions. Let's see. See, octal to binary encoder, we have here D0 to D7. Okay, input, and either XYZ or ABC is the output portion. So when you are taking like this is your truth table. See, when D0 is 1, all are 0, because 0, D0 means 0. So all are 0. When it is 1, Z is 1. When D2 is high, Y is high. When 0, 1, 0. So no. And D3 is high, it is nothing but 3, 1, 1. D4, nothing but 4, 1, 0, 0. D5, nothing but 1, 0, 1. Okay. Similar way, 7 means 1, 1. Okay. Now you can check it out when X is high, when Y is high, when Z is high. Here only I will clarify that X is high in these last 4 cases. So I will take as a D4 plus D5 plus D6 plus D7. Okay. Then next one, when Y is high. Y is high at D2 and D3 condition. Check it out here, D2 plus D3, and then it is high for last 2, that is D6 and D7. So no. Similar way, when it is Z is high, it is previously we discussed odd numbers. So Z is high at D1 plus D3 plus D5 plus D7. Okay. Now this is what your logic diagram. So previously I told how to draw the logic diagram.